My name is Giedrė Dromantaitė and I'm National International Massage Champion as well approved judge for World Massage Federation. Today I would like to talk about Porta-lite Delta II massage table and why I chose this table. I am myself as well a mobile therapist. I do go to my clients' houses, so for me it's very important to have massage table that is lightweight, that is comfortable for my clients, because we all want to create this comfortness while we giving massage to our clients. As you can see, this massage table has beautiful bag, lots of pockets in which one I carry oil, and here as well big pocket that you can put every stuff that you need. As well has a perfect pocket for bolster. So I just want to quickly show you how it's easy to unfold it. It's like no hassle, to be honest. Some bags, you know, especially if you have wooden frame, is not easy. It's you may have some struggles, you know. It's just one, two, voila. Why I like as well this table, because face rester you can put on both sides, so there is no like, you know, oh, let me change the table, turn around the table, so I don't have the holes for a face rester. It's very comfortable, it's wide, it's soft, and honestly every single client enjoys it. I get so many comments about it saying you have very comfortable massage table. As a therapist, I must say when we're choosing tables, we always want to be it lightweight. We want to make sure that our clients are comfortable. So other two things that I know, like I paid attention when I was choosing this table, it's lightweight, which weighs 11.5 kg, and wideness, because we want our client to lie down comfortably. We don't want, you know, like sometimes when it's too narrow, your arm, like clients' arms falling down from the table. So we don't want this. And the size is perfect. It's 28 inches wideness, which is 71 centimeters. So it's just perfect. If you're looking for a table that gives comfortness for your client, it's easy to carry around, so you should go for a Delta II table.